What's up guys, it's Pete, and today we're going to do a quick media loading video on the Epson ColorWorks C6000P color label printer. Now, we already did a loading media video on the Epson C6000A, so you might be wondering what could be so different about this printer. Well, you're going to find out, so let's get started. As with any of the Epson printers, you're going to want to go into your media setting before you load the media and make sure that these all match the type of media that you're going to be loading. In this case, I am doing gap, I am doing internal, and I am doing roll media, so I'm good to go. This part of loading the media is going to be the same as doing the Epson C6000A or the C6500. You may have seen those videos already, so you may be familiar with the process. All we're going to do is open up either the front or the rear latch on our printer, remove the spool from inside the printer, and remove the shield from the spool. Take our roll of labels, in this case we're using die-cut roll 4x6 gloss paper labels, and slide it onto the spool. Make sure that it goes all the way down so it's flush with the inner shield. Now we're going to take that outer shield and slide it back onto the spool and simply place the entire spool back into the printer. Next, we're going to find the leading edge of our labels and slide it into the printing mechanism until the printer takes the labels from your hand. As always, make sure our outer media guide is adjusted so that it's snug around the outside of the labels and they don't wander back and forth. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and close up your printer. Once you unpause your printer, it should feed out a length of labels for you. The reason for this is that the C6000P peel and present process needs to be started by hand. So all you need to do is lift up on your label and open the green latch under the label so that the peel and present mechanism falls forward. Put your label back down, press it up against the printer, and close the mechanism so that it's holding the label down. Close that gray latch so it's locked into place, and then feed a label. You have your first label in the series, so now when you remove that, if there are more labels queued up, they will continue to feed out. In this case, I'm just going to feed one more so you can see what that looks like. There we go. Another easy peeled label. So while loading the media in this printer wasn't really all that different from the other Epson ColorWorks printers, this new variation allows the Epson C6000P to do something that the other printers can't do, and that's directly peel and present labels from the front of the printer. Keep an eye out for our next video where we'll demonstrate how that can be applied to your label printing process. If you need ink, labels, or supplies, you can always go to www.infinitylabelgroup.com. If you have questions or comments or want to see a specific video or learn more about one of our printers, contact us at www.ipsiscan.com. This has been Pete. I'll see you next time.